Hello guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to take a screenshot on an Oppo phone. There are two methods you can capture screenshot of your Oppo phone. The first one is take a screenshot by pressing power and the volume button. First of all, navigate to the screen you want to capture. Locate the power button and the volume down button on the side of your Oppo phone. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Hold both buttons for a few seconds until you see the screen flash or hear a camera shutter sound. Release the buttons. Now the screenshot will be saved in your phone's gallery or screenshot folder. Now I will show you second method. First of all, go to the screen you wish to capture. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access the notification panel. Look for the Screenshot option among the quick settings. Tap on the Screenshot icon. Your phone will capture the screenshot, and it will be saved in your gallery or screenshot folder. Please note that the exact steps may vary slightly depending on the version of Oppo's phone. However, these methods should work for most Oppo devices. Thank you for watching. If you think this video is helpful, then please like and share this video. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, please comment below. If you don't subscribe to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel.